Okay, well, here are some tips for building a tiny home on wheels that's both comfortable and low maintenance for long-term living. Then for the comfort aspect, it's have several points. The first point is optimize layout. We can use multifunctional furniture, for example, sofa beds, or storage ottomans. Then for the next point is maximize vertical space with loft bed or storage. Then for the second point is about the insulation. We can use high quality insulation like foam board or spray foam to regulate temperature. Then we can consider the double pane windows for better insulation. Then for the third point of it is about the natural light. We can incorporate large window or skylight to make the space feel larger and brighter. And we can use the light color or walls to reflect natural light. And then for the fourth point is about the ventilation. We can install fans or window that open to ensure proper airflow. Then we can consider a roof fan for passive ventilation. Then for the fifth point is about the storage solution. We can use the built-in shelves, underbed storage, and hidden compartments, and we can use foldable or collapsible items to save the space. Then for the long-term maintenance aspect has a several point, and then for the first point it's about durable materials. We can use weather-resistant siding like metal, cedar, or fiber cement. Then for the next point of the long-term maintenance is about the waterproofing. We can seal all joints and seams properly. We can use waterproof membranes around windows and doors. And then for the third point of it is about the regular inspection. We can check for wear and tear on the roof, wheels, and axles. Then we can inspect plumbing and electrical system regularly. Then for the fourth point is about the low maintenance finishes. We can use easy to clean surfaces like laminate or stainless steel. Then for the next thing is about the avoid material that require frequent painting or sealing. Then for the fifth point of it is about the smart design. We can design with maintenance in mind, like easy access to system. Then we can consider modular design for easier repairs. Then for the additional tips is about the has several aspect. The has a several point. The first point is about the off-grid option. We can use a solar panel for electricity. We can use the rainwater collection system, and we can use a composting toilet or tankless water heater. Then for the second point of it is about the energy efficiency. We can use LED lighting and energy efficient appliance. Then for the properly insulate your tiny home to reduce heating or cooling needs. Then for the mobility aspect, it's about the ensure the trailer is sturdy and well maintained. Then we can consider a suspension system for a smoother ride. By focusing on these areas, you can create a tiny home that's both comfortable and easy to maintain over the long-term living.